am a disciplined and a profitable trader. I trade smartly and confidently. I have the mind of Christ in me, and the wisdom of God is at work in me.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe, share, like and comment. But if you are a returning subscriber, do well to comment, like and share. Basically today I will be analyzing just two pairs, which is NASDAQ and Gold. Before doing anything, let's just check our fundamentals to see what we have for the week. So here we are. We have news on Tuesday, global manufacturing. Wednesday, we have job openings. On Thursday, we have continuing jobless claim. We have initial jobless claim. Then Friday, we have NFP. So now that we've checked our calendar, let's check CNBC. This is what we are seeing here. Trump's tariff push overstepped presidential powers, appeal court says. Basically, I really don't see much here on the news, but as you all know, I used to advise you that regardless of the analysis that we've done here, as soon as market opens on Sunday evening, try to check your news, know what the market is saying. If your analysis still stands, fine. If it doesn't, try to redo your analysis so you would be on a safer side. And if it means you know trading, please stay out of the market. Now, coming back to our charts, I said something last week. We did our weekly analysis last week. If you've not watched that video, please check it out. We made some analysis last week. We analyzed Gold, NASDAQ and GU. GU did not go back to our entry price, but Gold and NASDAQ, they all played out according to our analysis. We were able to achieve our weekly targets in my Telegram community. As a trader, let me just give this piece of advice. I used to tell you people to treat trading as a business. Have weekly goal, then weekly goal to monthly goal. Don't just trade as it comes. That's my advice for you all. So let's start our analysis. Let's start from daily basically. This is good. Last week, Gold was able to move, stopped consolidating. Well, we are still watching. We are at this point that Gold is currently. This is more like a resistance zone for me. It's more like a resistance zone for me. As you can see, that Gold has been consolidating for a while now. Price is basically inside that resistance zone. Let's come down to 4 hours time frame. And don't forget, our buyers on Gold is buy. I'm looking to buy on Gold basically. But as it stands now, Gold is actually at a resistance zone. So we should see a little pullback to our point of interest before buying. As I've marked this out, that was a little analysis I did before the market closed basically. So I marked this particular zone out that I'll be looking to buy there, or this second zone. Those are my two zones that I would love to buy, and those are resistance that I expect them to become support. Let's bring it down to 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, so basically this line is here. This is where the resistance is becoming support. Let's come to 15 minutes time frame to see if we see a proper entry there. There's an entry for me here. Here would be my entry price. I'll be using this to buy my first buy of the week here. My SL will just be slightly below here. This will be my first trade of the week. Now, but before I buy this trade, market has to come down to my point of interest. Honestly, I would love to be in this sell trade, but I'm not seeing any confirmation that market wants to sell now. But I'll keep my eyes on this Gold. As soon as market open, then I'll see what market is doing. If I see any confirmation to sell, I will drop it on my Telegram group so we can all take the trade together. Now, this will be my first entry. This particular horizontal line will be my second entry to buy Gold. Regardless of what the market is doing, I will definitely update you guys in the group here. So basically, this might be the only two trades I will be taking on Gold. Now let's go straight to NASDAQ. Starting from daily. This is our daily chart on NASDAQ. We still have our, I don't really do much on NASDAQ. It was just the analysis I did, my weekly analysis I did on NASDAQ that is still here. So most of my trades has been on good. So let's do a proper analysis on NASDAQ now. NASDAQ has been buying. There's a break of structure up here. This right here is a minor pullback. It's giving us opportunity to join the move. Now coming down to 4 hours. Honestly, I am seeing a resistance here, which I would really want to take my first entry here. There's a resistance that becomes support here, and as you can see clearly, market is resting or market is reacting at that particular point. Coming down to 1 hour, you can see those rejections, right? Those rejections are there. This will be my first trade on NASDAQ, which will be from here to here. My head sell just below here. So this will be my first trade on NASDAQ. We still have our last week setup here, and this right here is the first one, and this is the second one. So obviously, if market does not respect our point of entry here, and we get taken out, I'll be looking to buy NASDAQ at this particular spot here. From here to just here, taking my TP there, my SL right here, and this is a 7-hour trade, and my third entry would be here. But regardless, let's just watch out and see what gold NASDAQ is dishing out for us. Just stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated on the group. Trade smartly, don't gamble, know what you're doing. The fact that I'm able to spot out these entries, the fact that my analysis are so quick does not mean I got to this point in a day. Rome wasn't built in a day. Invest in knowledge, keep on learning. My analysis might be so quick and short. That was because I'm used to this thing. This thing is part of me already. I didn't just sleep and wake up one day and it's part of me. No, it was every day. I kept on showing up every day. Even when everything looks as if I was wasting my time, I still kept on showing up. And at the long run, it became part of me. I still have my struggles in this thing, but I tell you, the more you go, the more you see, and the more it becomes more easier for you. You get to a point in a day that you yourself, you'll be able to analyze, like in less than 10 minutes you're done with your analysis. The simplest thing to have in trading is your strategy, but having the right mindset is the hardest thing to have. The right mindset, the right psychology. So please invest in education, know what you're doing, don't gamble, treat trading as a business, have everything documented, know what you want in a week, know what you want in a month. Don't be idle. Once you have something else doing, trading will be so easy for you because you are not checking your chart every time, every second. And one day you see that trading will start working out for you. Nobody, no professional trader today or no successful traders today will tell you that they woke up and they became successful. No, it's what they've been doing every day that became part of them and they became successful. Do your best and always study. Even the Bible says study to show yourself approved. So if you know this is what you want to do, give it all your time. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, with all of this being said, I'll see you in my next video. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I love you all and remain blessed.
I am not a failure, and so I cannot fail. I am constantly learning to improve